Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can connect your YouTube, Twitter, Facebook to your Discord. So basically, this automation is not only for YouTube, Twitter and Facebook. This is basically for the social media to Discord automation, which means you can add any social media account to your Discord and send channel message on your Discord. Now what I am going to tell you, how to create a tweet and then connect it to your Discord channel, then how to create a post on Facebook, then connect it with your Discord channel, and how to create a new video on YouTube and connect it with your Discord channel. Now what will happen, whenever we are going to have a new video, an automatic message will be sent to a particular channel on your Discord, where we are going to name separate channels YouTube, Facebook and Twitter all together, and the content of Twitter will be posted to Twitter channel, the content of Facebook will be posted to Facebook channel, and the content of YouTube will be posted to YouTube channel. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help you connect Twitter to Discord, Facebook to Discord and YouTube to Discord. Now, why would you need this automation? Suppose you are on Discord and several people follow you on Discord. Now, what will happen? When these people want to have a new content from your side on a particular platform, there must be people who are on YouTube but are not present on Facebook or Twitter. There are people who are Twitter but do not access Facebook or YouTube. So what you are going to do, you are going to satisfy them all together on your Discord channel in a single server, so that they can have your content in YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. Now if you want to learn how to do this amazing automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So now I am going to go to my address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as I will press enter, we will be redirected to this page. And here you have two options, either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you can just go for sign in, and signing up is also very easy. It will only take 2 minutes to sign up. And also I want to tell you that with this signing up, we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you. So I already have an account, so I will go for sign in. And here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go for login, and after that you will see my softwares here. So I'm going to access now for Pabbly Connect, and now here, as soon as it will open, you can see here these are all the automations I have. And now what I'm going to do, I am just going to create workflow one after another, and I will tell you how to connect your Facebook to Discord, then YouTube to Discord, then Twitter to Discord. So first we are going to create a workflow, and then we are going to give it a name. So here, first we are going to give it the name Facebook to Discord and click on create. Now you can name it whatever you want to. I'm just naming this because I'm connecting these two applications. Then we are going to go for trigger. Now here you can see we have two windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go for Facebook here, because we are connecting Facebook, and here we are going for Facebook pages. And now what we are going to do, we are going to click here for a new post, and now here it is asking us to connect our Facebook. So let me just show you. This is my Facebook, and here these are my pages: Fit Body Gym, Pabbly Tech, Automation Testing and Book Review. Now suppose I want to make a post in my Fit Body Gym page. So what I am going to do, I am going to go here, and first I will connect my Facebook. I will go for add new connection, connect with Facebook pages. Now it will ask you for the authentication, and now you have to give authentication to your Pabbly Connect account. If you are not going to do that, your automation will not take place properly. So give it the authorization, and let me tell you, your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe, and we are not taking any chances with your data. So let's just click on continue. And after that, you can see the authorization is successful, and here the page. So I have 4 pages here, and I just showed you Fit Body Gym is the one I'm going to make my post to. So I'll just go for Fit Body Gym. Now number of posts, what will happen here, you can see the example is 5, 10, 20, 100. So I'm just going to write 5, which means at one time it is going to fetch 5 posts automatically. If you want to fetch more number of posts, you can select 10, 20, 100. But for that you need to post 5 posts in your page. I am not going to do that. I am going to post only one, and that will be the one which I am going to use in my automation. Okay, we are not going to mess up with this page access token. We will just click on save and send test request. And now what will happen whenever we are going to click on save and send test request, the last post will be here, which will be the last Facebook post which we have been doing on our Facebook page. So let us just go and paste something here. So I'll just go here and I will go for create post. And here I am just giving the name to my post. Hey folks, this is the new post about targeting your different muscle areas. Check it out now. Okay, and here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put an image. So let me just go to desktop, and here I have an image of bodybuilding. So where it is, let me just see. Okay, so here it is. Open this one and you can see this is the image which I am posting here right now, and this is the post. Now I will just click on post. And you can see this is the new post. Now I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account and I will click on save and send test request. Now as soon as I will do that, here you can see that this is the link of our Facebook post, and this is the name of our page, Fit Body Gym, and we have everything here related to the post which we have done on our Facebook page. Now what we are going to do, let me just show you. This is the message. And let me just show you the post as well. If we will copy this and paste it here, you can see this is the post. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go, and here in action step, now I am going to choose Discord. Now our first step of connecting our Facebook page to our Pabbly Connect account is complete. Now we are going to choose the action step, and here we are going to go for send channel message HTML. Click on connect, and now it is asking you for the webhook URL. So what you can do, let me just open my Discord account first. So here I have opened my Discord now. So here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go for new server for a club or community. The name of the server is Discord Automation Server. Okay. Now click on create. And now you can see where is my Discord automation server. And here it is. Okay. Now we have text channels and voice channels. So here you can see general. Let me just add a few channels here. First one is Facebook. Create channel. Second one is YouTube. Create channel. And third one is Twitter. Create channel. Okay. Now I have 3 channels here, Facebook, YouTube and Twitter, and we are going to automate the post to these channels here in our Discord automation server. Now what I am going to do here, you can see it is asking me for the webhook URL. So what is this webhook URL? So this webhook URL is the URL which you are going to get from this server, and how you are going to get it, I am going to explain you. Here you can see it is written, follow these steps to get webhook URL from your Discord account. So when you will click it, it will show you the steps. I am directly doing it for you. So you will go to server settings first. Then here you can see the name of the server, Discord automation server. And here what you are going to do, you are going to go for integrations. Now here it is asking you for the webhook. So click on create webhook. And here what we are doing, we are posting on the Facebook channel. So we will go for Facebook. And here we will just copy this webhook URL. Now we will go back to our Pabbly Connect account, and here we are going to paste this. So now what will happen? whenever we are going to post the anything using this webhook URL, it will be posted to our Facebook account in our Discord server. Now you can just name the webhook as well, Facebook webhook. Okay, save changes, and as I said, copy URL and paste it here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let us take the data from this window here and it will let us put the data here in this window. So my message is, what I am going to do, this is my message, and here I am going to post the link. So this is my link. Okay, so message is, hey folks, this is the new post about targeting your different muscle areas, check it out now. Action link is this, and now it is going to our Facebook. Let me just show you. So here the post is going to our Facebook channel in our Discord automation server. Now let me just go back here. If you want to give a name to a bot, you can give the name. It is completely up to you. If you do not want to give any name, it is not necessary. I'm just giving it this name, automation bot. Okay. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see here the HTTP status code is 204, which means that our message has been sent to our Discord channel. So we will go here and then we will click on Facebook, and here you can see, hey folks, this is the new post about targeting your different muscle areas, check it out now. And as soon as I will click on this, you can see here we have this post in our Facebook, and people can easily view this post through our Discord channel. Now I have given it this name Facebook. You can name it whatever you want to. Like if you are running a channel about fitness, or you're running a channel about giving tips about how to target the muscles, how to make muscles, you can just rename it that muscle Facebook or something like muscle fitness Facebook page or something like that. Okay, it's completely up to you. Now I think our first part of connecting our Discord to Facebook is complete. Now I am going to tell you how you are going to do it for YouTube. Okay, so I will go here, go back, and here I will just tell you in short that what you have to do, you have to first make a new post on your Facebook page and then connect it to your Discord by using send channel message, and then both of these applications will be connected through your Pabbly Connect account. So let us keep this on. Now let's go back. And now what we are going to do, we are going to create another workflow here, and here now I am going to go for YouTube to Discord. So YouTube to Discord, I'm giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. Click on create. And now what you're going to do here, you have to create a video, or you have to upload a video on your YouTube. So we are going to choose the trigger application first, which is YouTube. And now we are going to choose the trigger a new video in channel with video URL, because we are uploading a video and we also want the URL to be shared. So here go for add new connection, connect with YouTube, and again you have to give authorization to Pabbly Connect. I am connecting this account, so I will give authorization of this account to Pabbly Connect. And now what I am going to do, here the channel ID is Ashirai, and here you can see this is my channel. So I'll just go to my channel, and you can see here I will just upload a video here, and after that I'm just going to click on save and send test request so that it will take the video which I uploaded just now. So let us just go and upload a video. Select file, and I had a video about Earth here. Okay, cool. So this is the video and it is getting uploaded. Now here I'm just going to give it a title. Beautiful video on beautiful Earth. Okay. I'm just going to give it this title. Description. video of the beautiful earth shown from the space. Just look at how gorgeous our planet looks. Okay, so video of the beautiful earth shown from the space. Just look at how gorgeous our planet looks. Now I'm just going to upload it, and as soon as I will upload it and I will click on save and send test request here, you will see a new video will come here. Okay, so let's just upload it. Click on next, public, publish. So now you can see here it is written beautiful video on beautiful earth, and I have this video, and you can see this video here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And you can see this is the response here. Beautiful video on beautiful earth, and this is the description of the video. Now let me tell you one more thing. It is not necessary that the Pabbly Connect will capture that video which you are going to upload at this time when you are doing the automation. It can also take any other old video from your YouTube automation. Sorry, not automation, from your YouTube channel. So do not panic. You have to make the automation, and to create the automation, you can use any video. And when your automation is complete, after that, if you are uploading any video on YouTube, that new video will be taken by the Pabbly Connect. But when you are doing this automation, Pabbly Connect can take any random video from your YouTube channel. Okay. Now I am lucky that it has taken the same video. Otherwise, it could have taken any other video also. Now what I am going to do here, our first step of connecting our YouTube video to our Pabbly Connect account is complete. Now what we are going to do, we are going to choose our action step, which is Discord again. And now we are just going to click on send channel message from the action event and connect it. Now you can see I have already connected my Discord, so it is not asking me again to connect. Now here it is asking us for the webhook URL. So what I am going to do, I am going to go back here. I will go back to my server settings. Then I will go back to integrations, and here you can see I have one webhook. Here I will go for a new webhook, and here I am going to name it YouTube webhook, and here channel will be YouTube. And what we are going to do, we are going to now copy this webhook URL. So let's just save changes, copy this webhook URL, go back to Pabbly Connect account and paste this webhook URL here. Okay. Now here it is asking us for the message. So message will be very simple. This is the description. So we will first put in the title. Description. Here I am going to map in the description. Now again I am going to use the technique which is called mapping, which I just explained you when I was making automation for the Facebook post. Now here the description is video of the beautiful earth shown from the space, and now the link of the video. So we are just going to go and map in the URL. So here you can see. So now we are going to map in the URL. So let's do this. Here is the URL, resolution 2 video URL. So let's just map in. Now here you can see I have this title, description and URL. Now bot name, I'm again going to put the same name here, automation bot. And I'm going to go here. I do not want any bot icon. So I will just click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see again the HTTP status code is this 204. I'll go back here in my channel of YouTube, and here you can see in my YouTube channel I have this automation bot title beautiful video on beautiful earth, description video of the beautiful earth shown from the space. Just look at how gorgeous our planet looks. And here you can see when I will click on this, I'll be redirected to this website here, YouTube, and this link here, which is my link, and this is my video. So our second part of our video is also completed. Now here we have connected our Facebook, here we have connected our YouTube. Now here we are going to connect our Twitter. So we will go back, and here let me just show you what you have to do. You have to go into the new video, you have to go to YouTube, then new video in channel with video URL, then connect it, and then go to Discord, send channel message, and then make a new webhook URL, paste it, and voila, your YouTube will be connected to your Discord. Now we will go back to our dashboard, and here we are going to click on create workflow once again, and here we are connecting our Twitter to Discord. Now let's just click on create, and now we are connecting our Twitter to Discord. So I'm just going to tell you once again, you have two windows here, trigger and action, and we are going to do the same for what we did for Facebook and YouTube. So here we are going to go for Twitter in our trigger. So let's just go for a new tweet here. Okay, and now connect. And as soon as you will go for add new connection and connect with Twitter, it will ask you for the account. So you have to give authorization. And again, I'm telling you that Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data, and your data is absolutely safe. So we are going to go here. And now what we are going to do, we are going to create a new tweet. And here, when we are going to click on save and send test request, it is not necessary that, it will take the new tweet which we just created. It can take any random tweet for the first time when we are creating automation, and after that when we are creating new tweets, it will take the tweets which we are going to create, the latest ones. Okay, so I'll just go and click on save and send test request, and here it has taken a random tweet, and you can see the random tweet is video of the beautiful earth shown from the space. Just look at how gorgeous our planet looks. So let me just go back to my Twitter and let me just show you. So this is my Twitter, and here you can see video of the beautiful earth shown from the space. Just look at how gorgeous our planet looks, and this is the tweet which has been done by me. So you can see that this tweet will be sent to Discord automatically. And how we are going to do that? So we will just go here. And you can see the first step of connecting our Twitter to our Pabbly Connect is now complete. So here we are going to choose our action application, which is Discord, and here send channel message. Click on connect again, and it will automatically get connected because we connected it a few moments ago for Facebook and YouTube. Now webhook URL. So you will go back to Twitter here, Discord here, server settings, go for integrations, and now add webhook here, and the new webhook is Twitter webhook. Okay, and now the channel will be Twitter. Now copy this webhook URL and paste it here. Let me just first save it, save changes, copy webhook URL, save it here, and now message. So the message is pretty simple. Hey folks, I have a new tweet on my Twitter account. Check it out now. Okay, and now again I am going to use the technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here, and it will let me put the data here in this window. So here is the tweet video of the beautiful earth shown from the space. Just look at how gorgeous our planet looks, and here you can see this is the link as well. Now we will just go bot name. Again I am just going to give the name automation bot. and click on save and send test request. Now you can see I have this status code 204 messages this, which means our automation is successful. So let me just click on escape, and here you can see, hey folks, I have a new tweet on my Twitter account. Check it out. Video of the beautiful earth shown from the space. Just look at how gorgeous our planet looks. And this is the video, or this is the image which we have shared, and this is the tweet. So when we will click here, you will see that we will directly reach out to our Twitter account. So when we will click here, we will reach out to our Twitter account. When we will click here, we will reach out to our YouTube account. And when we will click here, we will reach out to our Facebook account, or the people who have been added in our server will reach out to the following accounts, and they can watch Facebook, YouTube and Twitter as and when required. Okay. So this is how you can connect these three applications: Facebook to Discord, Twitter to Discord and YouTube to Discord very easily. And it is very, very, very beneficial for your business as well as your personal life. If you are using it for the marketing purposes, if you are using it for the social media marketing purposes, if you are using it for the promotional kind of purposes for your business, for your products, these automations are very successful. And let me just show you, I have been creating these automations one by one by going to create workflow. First one is this, to Twitter to Discord. Second one is YouTube to Discord, and third one is Facebook to Discord. So this is how you can connect all these three applications, all these four applications and all these three applications to your Discord automatically and use them for your business or personal life automations. Now, if you want to clone these automations, you can just go to my description box and I'll put a link to these automations. You can just clone them into your account, but for that you need to have an account, and for that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks so that you can practice these workflows and can use them in your daily life. Hasta la vista. And now, before I go, let me just show you the real-time example of how your automation is gonna work. So you can see my Facebook to Discord automation is on. Here you can see the workflow is enabled. Okay. YouTube to Discord workflow is also enabled. This green sign is shining, and here you can see green sign is shining here as well, which is Twitter to Discord. So you have to enable your workflows for this. And now let me just show you some real-time examples. So let me just go to Facebook first, and here you can see Fit Body Gym. I am going to create a new post here. Muscle building startup plan. Okay. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take an image which is muscle building workout plans. Okay, this one is good. So you can see this is the image, and now here in my Facebook you can see there is only one post. So let me just go back and post it. And as soon as I will post it, you can see it has been posted in my Facebook. Now we will go back to our Discord, and here you can see in our Discord, muscle building startup plan. This is the post. I will just click this post, and here you can see muscle building startup plan is coming. Okay, so our Facebook automation is working fine. Let me just show you the second one, YouTube to Discord. So let's just go to our YouTube and upload a new video here. Select file, which is the file. I have just downloaded a new video. Okay, so this is Once in a Blue Moon. That's good. Okay, so this would be our title, Once in a Blue Moon, and I'm not going to change it. And I'm just going to write Once in a Blue Moon, this ocean looks beautiful at night. Okay, now I'm just going to click on the next, and as soon as I will do that, no, it's not made for kids. Next, public and publish, and as soon as I will publish it, we will have a new message on our Discord channel. Now it will take some time because first it will process, and then it will be uploaded in our channel of YouTube, and then the data will go from YouTube to your Discord, and then it will be shown in the Discord channel. So it will take some time. Do not expect your data or I should say YouTube data to come quickly here. It is going to take some seconds or few minutes. So let us just wait for a few minutes and let's see in how much time our data comes here. And let me tell you the reason behind this, because we are using a trigger which is called polling, and the polling trigger will send the data from one application to another application in some time, and that is why the data will come here in some time. So we are using a trigger polling for Facebook as well as for YouTube and as well as for Twitter. So we are using the trigger polling for all these three applications, and that is why the data will come here in some time. And as you can see, I have this this video here, and when you will click on this, you will be redirected to this page here. This website here, where we have this link and where we have this video here, once in a blue moon. Okay. So now you can see our YouTube automation is also successful. Now let us go for Twitter and let us just watch it on Twitter as well. So this is our Twitter account. I am now going to tweet here. So let's just go for tweet. And here I am just going to write, hey folks, there is a new tweet on my Twitter account. Okay. And here what you can do, you can just go here. Copy this link here, go back to your Twitter account and paste this link here, okay? And now you can just click on tweet and you can see now, hey folks, there is a new tweet on my Twitter account, and I have copied my Facebook link here for the Fit Body Gym page, muscle building startup plan. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back to my Twitter account and here I'm going to refresh. But as I told you that we are using a trigger which is called polling, so it will take some time for data to come here. So we are going to wait and let's see in how much time our data comes. And now you can see we have a new message on our channel about the Twitter, and here you can see, hey folks, I have a new tweet on my Twitter account, check it out now. And this is the tweet, and here when I will click it, you will be redirected to the Facebook page which I just copied from the link of which I copied from the address bar and used it in my Twitter account. So friends, this is how you can use this automation, and this is how this automation is going. So let me just go back to my Pabbly Connect account and let me just show you all the automations were enabled, and that is why they were taking place. Twitter to Discord, YouTube to Discord, and Facebook to Discord. So finally, I have taught you how to do this automation and you can use it. And again, I am telling you, you can just go into my description box and clone this beautiful workflow and use it into your account. Thanks a lot for watching this. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.